Gana noroboti rubigo tumurekera mangana rengetene skuru ya Egetuki oyo kuligie korogo kyobo msie kurwase wodi yabo chitendere eyo gotoka sebunge yabo machoge chache imiye county ya Kisii ni gobono aberega ko bwatoka obokonyi gochia ase skuru eyo maega yo murogwate kense me yo no ina bweganga yaye no konyara gosira omwano munyaroka asensemo oye chisemi oroboti rwasenchira yobwikirano oyo koligie kerogo kyobwe msie kurose wodi yabo chitendre ime ya machoge chache county ya Kisii Jacob Mangondi Nyarwati nigaruro bakonyi gochase skuru ya secondary ya Egetuki anene gochasa abana abanyaroka.
This morning I'm privileged to stand before you to do a donation of sanitary towels to all the girls here, and the donation is going to be for 3 months. It will be redone again in September, and the program will be running in this school in the next 3 years. So girls in this school will be receiving sanitary towels in the next 3 years that will be supporting them so that they can participate in educational activities like the boys without remaining at home or they do not have sanitary towels.
Nigo chinga kicheru bosemi gochia sabaro kigwabe skuru yo otwara chimbwa chingi ya no koiguana asaba iboli amo na boro kiwabo.
If the people who have your best interest are teachers and parents, the earlier you start making them your friends, the better person you will become. The more you continue thinking that they are your enemies, the harder it becomes for you to consult.
Kagukwana na baroki wabo ni gababori ya gotakore biro asamangana tabwati ngencho na kumugani SME.
If you waste time, you waste your future. So as a student, it is very important for you to remember to work on your time. And that is why every time you are told that wherever you are doing your studies, have a timetable. Timetable helps you to be able to focus on your education.
Omaria ye Nyarwati ni gababori ya baroki wabo kobe komukia asamasomo ekarobana chigokore skuru kwa babanto bengencho.
My urge to you as students from 1 to form 4, both boys and girls, is please make sure that at the end of your education, you have earned knowledge from this school.
Thank you. Kenya's Slums Youth Development Organization for supporting Egetuki secondary schools and may God keep you going.
Reporter ya Ndizi TV kurose wodi ya bochitendre ime county ya Kisii. Riterana nchenkoro kwa Vincent.